How to transfer playlists from Spotify to eSound. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily transfer your playlist from Spotify to eSound. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Spotify app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you need to do is create a playlist that you want to move to eSound. So go ahead and tap on your library. As you can see, I have plenty of playlists that in my library. So what you're gonna have to do is go ahead and open up your browser and then search for Soundiz. Now click on the first link that you see, soundiz.com, and then here you'll have to select your destination. So I'm going to be selecting from Spotify, so click on start for free, and then you can sign in using your Spotify. So once you sign in with Spotify, you're going to have to allow certain things like view your Spotify's account data, view your activity on Spotify, and take actions in Spotify on your behalf. Now click on agree. Once you have done that, you should be able to log into your account. Now from here, you can select the playlist that you want to move to your eSound. So for example, if I just choose this option right here, now from here, you'll see the transfer button right on top, and then you're going to have to move it to YouTube Music. Go ahead and tap on YouTube Music. And once you have selected your account for YouTube Music, go ahead and click on continue. And from here, you're going to have to allow some access like manage your YouTube account, view and manage YouTube Music. So go ahead and click on continue. Once you have done that, click on select all and continue, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.